Hey guys, today's video I'm going to show you how to fix verification email not sending in Discord. So first of all, when you're about to send a verification email from Discord to yourself, make sure the email address is correct and make sure the email address is active as well. At times when your email is not active or email is mistakenly entered, that way the email does not get through, so you might not be able to get any email verification. Next, this might also be your application fault. So go ahead, open your Play Store, and then search for Discord. In here, if you see open, that means your application is already updated. If you see update, select update and update your app. Next, long tap onto Discord, select the eye icon. In here, scroll below, go for storage and clear the cache. Now you can also force stop the Discord application, like simply tapping on force stop, then selecting OK. It will force stop your Discord if it's running in the background. You may go ahead, relaunch it, and make sure that you're logged into your account and try sending verification again. Once done, this will work. If it's still not working, then you're going to have to uninstall Discord. Long tap onto it, select uninstall, reinstall again, and try it, and it will definitely work.